Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be fixing the idler pulleys on my 03 Cobra here. One of the pulleys decided to explode on me, so I'll see if I can show you guys. I got the belt off already. The belt survived, which I was actually kind of amazed. I mean, it's kind of scuffed up. It's kind of scuffed up a little bit here, but this gator back belt held together on a completely shattered pulley, which is pretty incredible. So anyway, pretty simple here as far as taking the belt off. In here's the tensioner. There's a little, I just have a breaker bar in here. Just a nice breaker bar. So I like to slip it on this side and then into the slot here. Then once you're into it, then you can use the levers from this side, and it's gonna move this, but put tension on there, be able to slip the belt off. But anyway, I'm just gonna quick take off the pulleys. All the idlers are little 13 mil sockets, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so we got the bolt off. Now I'm going to show you guys the pulley. Kind of crazy. Get you some more light here. Kind of crazy. So it just completely shattered. So luckily I was able to get home and I wasn't stranded. So that's really nice. But yeah, I can't believe they're just completely shattered. So I went ahead and bought some Billitflow idler pulleys from billetflow.com. So you can actually buy these from, well, you can buy these directly from Billitflow, but you have to like email in or call in to get them, and then on Lethal you can just click and buy them. So they ship right from the manufacturer. So and they actually came a lot faster than I thought. So, and they only offer them in black now versus like this is like their bling, I guess they called it back in the day. So I already have this idler and I have the supercharger pulley. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw this on. Okay, so now I'm just going to torque it down with the torque wrench here to, they say 18 to 22. I think I have mine set to 23. Some people say just nice and good and tight, but we got a torque wrench, so might as well use it. Alright, we're there with that one. Let's just take off the other one here now. Here's the damage to the belt. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Let's see, some damage there. So the belt held together, which I was pretty impressed by. Okay, this one's alright. Pretty simple job. Also gonna take this one off here. Woo! That almost fell. Pretty sure this is the side it's supposed to be. Looks a little cooler too. Yep. Never noticed that. The previous owner put that on before I did, so, but I never noticed it until I was looking online at the pulleys, and they seem to have the bolts facing out versus in. So go ahead and crank this guy down. Here we go, that looks good. Sorry for all the construction noise. Tearing the whole street up. Okay. Alright, so now I got all the pulleys situated. I gotta refinish this guy right there. Get that rust off. But anyway, flip this guy around so it's facing the right way. There's the 92, there's the 100, then there's the other 100 down there. So now all I gotta do, I think I'm gonna wipe these pulleys off with some paper towels and brake clean, and then we're gonna try to put the belt on. So, little bit thing to know with the belt size is when you change the belt, when you change the pulleys, you're gonna change the belt size, maybe. So I was talking to Cobra Bob on SCT Performance, and he was saying either a 74.5 or a 75-inch belt is gonna work. And right now, this belt is 74.5. So I'm gonna try that belt, see if it fits, see if the tensioner's in the correct spot, and then kind of go from there. I'm gonna attempt to fit this belt on. Now I'm not gonna reuse this belt because it was torn up a little bit, but I'm just gonna get it on here so I can see if it fits. Okay, so I just wanted to get on there. Down the pulley. And I will link either a video or a graphic on the screen of the way the pulleys are supposed to go. This will be interesting. Okay. So I gotta get it over the top of this pulley here. Ah. Alright. That fit no problem, actually. That was surprisingly easy. Yeah, so 74.5 is the belt size you need if you have a 2.76 upper supercharger pulley from Billitflow. They're 100 millimeter snub idler with the new style bracket. They're 92 millimeter, and then they're two 100s. But that, yeah, that works great. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and probably just order the exact same belt. Now, okay, I have noticed that the Goodyear, they don't sell this belt anymore. But I have seen that Continental, basically it looks like they make the exact same belt. So that's very interesting to know. So I'm probably gonna get it the Continental, the V belt, ribbed, 8 rib. Really strong belt. Before I had just the standard serpentine belts, and it would squeak and make all sorts of noise and slip and everything. This belt does not slip at all. And I'll be getting out, and it survived an exploding pulley, so that's pretty incredible to me, and I'll probably always run this belt because of that. You know, I don't know what more you want from a belt. Those pulleys look awesome down there. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and fire her up. Like I said before, this is the belt that is torn up a little bit, so I'm just gonna start it up, make sure I did everything correct, and then I'm gonna go ahead and order another belt. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.